A flanged plunger is a toilet-specific plunger with a smaller, flexible rubber extension that creates a better seal inside the toilet trap and improves unclogging force. A flanged plunger has a bell-shaped head with a protruding rubber flange that folds out to fit into the curved outlet of a toilet bowl and trap. Use it by compressing the head to expel air, positioning the flange inside the drain opening, and pumping with steady, vertical strokes while maintaining the seal. For stubborn clogs, rotate the handle slightly to break the seal and then resume pumping to shift the obstruction rather than pushing it further down. Choose a plunger with firm but flexible rubber and a wooden or corrosion-resistant handle for durable leverage and to avoid flexing that reduces pressure. After use, rinse the plunger with hot water and a household disinfectant, then let it air dry on a mat to prevent odors and bacterial growth. Keep a separate flange plunger for toilets and a cup plunger for sinks to avoid cross-contamination and to ensure you have the correct head shape for each fixture. Common mistakes include using a cup plunger on a toilet which fails to form a seal and wastes effort. So switch to a flanged plunger and tuck the flange into the outlet before pumping. Another issue is pumping too aggressively, which can damage older porcelain or push waste deeper into the trap. So use controlled, rhythmic strokes and pull sharply only when you feel resistance break. People also neglect flange maintenance, so the rubber hardens and cracks, reducing effectiveness. Replace the plunger if the flange loses elasticity or shows tears and store it where it can dry. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and browse project ideas related to plumbing tools and repairs. We also help contractors find work and connect with homeowners, and our site includes a discussion community where users and professionals exchange tips and ask specific questions.